All right. There she be. There she be. Little process, I don't know, half hour. I don't know. Especially on a glue down, it makes it super easy, as long as you don't mess up. It's one thing about doing it dry fit. Edgar likes to do it dry fit, but let's use the router. I want to get the wood down. I just want to get the wood down. Worry about that when we come back. Take your time and do it right. So, anyways, and if you have the jig and the router bit, you're good to go. And then what I'll do is I'll grind these off with the grinder. Here's the grinder. So I'll grind it off. Just buzz them down, or you can move them back and forth like that, and then it just busts off. But anyways, so that's it. 3 videos. Just show that one vent. So it's done. Put a little glue on each side or corner, and we'll go for it. I'm happy. That's what it is. Thanks again.